Hope you all are safe. Please be inside your home and enjoy my travel vlog. In last video, I have shown you BMW Welt. Just in front of BMW Welt is the Olympic Stadium of Munich. So let's go there. This is the Olympic Stadium where some years back Olympic events happened and now it is open for adventure activities. So let's go and see how much is the ticket price, and if possible we can go inside. And it snowed here very badly. I'm climbing this mountain. You know why? This is the view. So I'm on this hill from where you can see this Olympic Stadium, the BMW towers, the Snowfall and the stadium down there. It's very cold. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit like and do subscribe to my channel. See you in next vlog.